Hey friends, today I'm unboxing the new HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 Digit, which is the new heat press from HTVRONT, and I'm going to take it for a test drive with a project I've been wanting to make for a while. This heat press is so easy to use. Just plug it in and adjust your screen angle, press the temperature button, and then the plus or minus depending on the material that you're using. Next, we're setting the timer. Just use the plus or minus buttons to set the time depending on what you're pressing. Finally, the pressure. I'm going to attempt to use heat transfer vinyl on a tweed jacket, and in the past, I've been unsuccessful, so I'm using the highest setting on the pressure and setting it at 170 pounds. Once it reaches the desired temperature, you're ready to start. Simply slide out the drawer, situate your garment, and get going. For years now, I've been a fan of HTVRONT. I use their heat transfer vinyls. I have several of their cutting mats and tools, just got their mini heat press, and I truly enjoy how easy they are to work with. Not to mention, the quality is amazing and the prices cannot be beat. Here I'm just uploading my graphics and cutting them out with black HTV. I've created several birds in flight, and since they are quite large, I'm going to have to cut them out separately and piece them on the jacket separately. Once they're cut out, I'm going to weed and just start transferring. There is a lot of waste on these cuts, so I'm saving the scraps for smaller projects. This is my new tweed blazer, and in the past I have not had luck with HTV on thick fuzzy fabrics like this, but I have a good feeling about this and this new heat press with 170 pounds of pressure. Amazing. This heat press is a more flexible heat press for home and business use. It includes all the fantastic automated features from the first generation. It has one-click press up and down. It works with thicker projects with a maximum material height of up to 4.5 centimeters, so you can work on really thick projects. The slide-out drawer makes it easy to place your garments on and get a perfect press every time. I'm not sure about you, but I am always forgetting to unplug the iron or my glue gun. It happens a lot, and this has an auto shut-off after 15 minutes. By the way, this kind of pressure works great with your sublimation projects. Here it is. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure to check out the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 Digit pre-sale starting on November 1st through November 20th. The official sale is from November 21st through December 1st, and just in case you missed these sales, I'll leave information below for their next big sale. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link below for that too. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you might like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye, everybody.